We're in Queanbeyan to give you a completely different perspective of the city. If you take a closer look at the streets, you'll discover some amazing local artwork. It's also home to great live performances at a fabulous theatre. The community has played a vital role in revitalising the city to create a buzzing art scene and public artwork for everyone to experience. Rusten House began its life in 1862 as Queanbeyan's second hospital, but it ceased its operations in 1932. It was then used as a nurse's quarter, amongst other things, including once when it was known as Rusty's Cafe.
The art scene here has got little pockets of things that are starting to emerge. There's little galleries down by the river. There's this fantastic place now called Rusten House, which has taken 2 years in the making. And now for the first time, artists like myself, we can come and we can hire this space and bring our work and celebrate with other artists as well in workshops in this centre as well as in our exhibitions.
Many other buildings on the site have come and gone, but Rusten House has survived, and it was recently transformed and restored into the beautiful art centre that it is today.
I think being an artist is about just being you. It's finding what's inside of you that needs to come out.
The Art Centre Galleries, where you'll find a variety of rotating exhibitions, is open from Wednesday to Saturday, and they even have a range of arts and crafts workshops available throughout the year. If you have half an hour to spare, make sure you follow the Queanbeyan Public Art Walk. You'll get some exercise while enjoying a range of beautiful public art right in the heart of the city. The self-guided tour starts from the south side of Queanbeyan CBD and finishes at the Queen's Bridge. You'll find a massive mural of Canberra Raiders coach Ricky Stewart, as well as hidden wall art, art on benches, street signs and sculptures in the parks. The Q is the premier entertainment facility in the city, with a theatre that seats 346 people that provides a warm and intimate atmosphere. Let's go in and find out more. Can you tell me a little bit about the Q and what people will expect when they come here?
Look, I think the Q, we really do have something for everyone here. We have music and we have kids shows and we have drama and comedy and musical theatre. We have local community and amateur theatre groups, as well as fantastic touring shows from around Australia. We've got music acts coming from around the world. There really is something for everyone, as well as being such a sort of warm and welcoming place to come.
Excellent, and local artists and local performers as well?
Lots of local, I'm all about the local.
Fantastic, so you really cover it all, don't you?
We do.
Why do you love it? Why do you love doing what you do?
Oh, why do I love doing what I do? Because I think there's something extraordinary about seeing live performance. I don't think you can get it through a camera. There's something about an exchange that happens in a live performance, but with seeing an artwork live in a gallery, or it's like eating beautiful food. You can't experience that unless you're there in the moment.
We hope you've enjoyed exploring Queanbeyan's art scene with us, so now you can start planning your trip to see what else you can discover.